it's Millie. Welcome back to my channel. So before we go to the video, I just would like to say I'm so sorry that I didn't post the video as I wanted to, and that because I just would like to focus on my new job. I really love it and I really want to pass the probation, fingers crossed. And yes, basically it's just that much that I just would like to focus on my job. And of course today's video is going to be a little bit slightly different because recently I watched the video about healthy food and I got a lot of ideas about healthy food recipe. So I think it will be good to share that idea to you guys because I love food and I'm pretty sure that all of you guys love foods as well. So with that being said, let's go, and don't forget to get some snack because you are going to get hungry.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said thank you. Thank you. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessings.
For my breakfast, I like to have something a little bit sweet, so I go with the overnight porridge, which is in this mug, and I'm going to pop the recipe on you right here. So it's just basically porridge with chia seeds, and I really love these chocolate milk so much. And yeah, and then could top in with a topping of choice that you love. So yes, that is my easy recipe overnight porridge.
If you've been where I've been, you will understand me. You understand. Praying that my wings won't fail me now.
And this is my breakfast. Like I said, you could choose any choice of your topping. I go with the blueberry and raspberry. I really love this. And I put a little bit of peanut butter from my protein, and pop a little bit of honey and a little bit of milk, which is chocolate soy milk. So yes, hope you enjoy.
Talk to God, what he say? He said blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I say thank you.
It's a lunchtime. I really want to have some salad, and I got leftover Thai sauce for a salad sauce. So I'm going to pop the ingredient right here, don't worry, I got you. And yes, it's just vegetable of your choice that you love. I would like to go with some cucumber, some tomato, some sweet corn, and yes, beetroot, and I'm going to have it with rice.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said thank you. Thank you. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said.
So for my dinner, I just feel that I want something a little bit sweet, something like ice cream, but I don't think ice cream counts as a meal. So yes, I'm going to make a smoothie bowl. I am a big smoothie fan, and today we are going to do blueberry smoothie bowl. So all I have here, I have frozen blueberry, of course, and then frozen banana. I always have this in my fridge all the time because you don't know when you need something sweet or smoothie. So then I have almond milk, no sugar, unsweet almond milk, and then plain yogurt, the same brand. I really love this brand. I love a vanilla flavour, but for now I just have a plain yogurt. So I'm going to use this. And then for the sweet, I'm going to use raisin? Yes. This one is make your smoothie more sweet without a sweetener. And then for the topping, I'm going to pop with my homemade granola. If you would like to know my recipe about my healthy homemade granola, please let me know in a comment. And also this one, guys, this one, it's my healthy homemade peanut butter. It's so good. It's no sweetener apart of nuts and date plums. So if you would like to know a recipe of this as well, please comment down below. And yes, of course, I'm going to create a video for you, and maybe I have a little bit of fresh blueberry and strawberry. We'll see. Yes, let's make a smoothie bowl.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessing, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessing, blessing, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I think I cause I'm blessed. I don't even need that stress. Look, shorty on my arm breaking necks. Probably cause she know I'm breaking necks. I never say I can't, cause I walk with an S on my chest. I don't chase nothing but a check. Everybody got a little debt, but I'm tryna be completely debt free. I know people that's upset that I don't have a plan B, and I do this for my dogs, my girl, and all the family. And if you've been where I've been, you will understand me. You understand.
It is test time. Well, the consistency is quite running. I think I put a lot of milk on it, so if you make it, make sure that you don't put too much milk, otherwise it will be too runny consistency. Guys, you have to try smoothie bowl. If you love to have a sweet things, this is the one. This is the one will help you get away a little bit of a sweet, just balance. Yeah, you can have sweet. If you have it every day, maybe you could reduce it and have smoothie bowl instead. And it's so delicious. Granola, make it 10 out of 10. I love it so much. I forget to end my vlog, so yes, I get changed and everything. So if you make it this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. That would support my channel a lot, and I appreciate that a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye.